Tech and music, tech and music, tech and music. Welcome to the future of sound.
Every time you open a website, your request travels across the internet. But sometimes, it doesn't go directly to the website.
Instead, it first reaches another computer that stands between you and the internet. This computer is called a proxy server.
Think of a proxy server like a receptionist. You never speak directly to the company, you speak to the receptionist first. The proxy receives your request, forwards it to the website, receives the response, and sends it back to you. This means the website doesn't always see your real IP address. Instead, it often sees the proxy server's address. Many schools and companies use proxy servers to control internet access, block harmful websites, and improve security. Proxy servers can also store frequently visited pages. This is called caching, and it makes websites load much faster.
So that's a proxy server. But what if the proxy protects the website instead of the user? That's called a reverse proxy.
A reverse proxy looks similar to a proxy server, but it protects the servers instead of the users. Users think they're talking directly to the website. In reality, every request first reaches the reverse proxy. The real servers stay hidden. The reverse proxy is the only system exposed to the internet. This greatly improves security because attackers never communicate directly with your application servers. It can also handle HTTPS encryption, reducing work for the application servers. But what happens when millions of people visit the website at the same time? This is where a load balancer comes in. It distributes incoming traffic across multiple servers. Instead of overloading one server, the load balancer shares the work evenly across all available servers. If one server fails, users usually don't even notice, because traffic is automatically redirected. That's how modern websites handle millions of visitors every single day. But distance also matters. The farther your data travels, the slower your website becomes. This problem is solved by a Content Delivery Network, or CDN. A CDN stores copies of your website closer to users around the world, making pages load much faster. Together, these technologies make websites faster, more secure, and highly available. Remember it like this. Proxy protects users. Reverse proxy protects servers. Load balancer shares traffic. CDN brings content closer to users.
The next time you open a website,
remember, dozens of invisible technologies are working together in milliseconds to deliver that page to your screen. Follow for more Tech Explained videos.